Hey guys, working on a 2017 VW Beetle, and we're going to be replacing our air filter. Let's get started. Just to show you guys, this takes a T25 Torx bit. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these Torx bits. We got to remove them all. Did you guys a favor of removing all except for the one. I'll loosen it up for you guys real quick. Before we loosen that up, you gotta remove this little harness here, okay? I'll show you a trick to get these out without damaging them, because these are easy to break and they're very expensive to replace if you break them. Get yourself some WD-40 here, and I'm just gonna spray just like that. Nothing too excessive, right? But now, when we pull this, look how easily that comes out. If you pull on this too hard and this thing snaps off, it's extremely expensive to get this replaced. Let's get this last screw out. What up, old
car? Doing alright?
I'm gonna make it.
Water filter?
This is the air filter.
Yeah.
No.
I will have one that runs better than her car.
Oh!
And hers is new.
You let it go though, huh?
I had to. You got a photo, man. It was done.
Oh wow.
No stop.
Jeez. Well, he did her job.
Yeah, he was like 20, 21, 20, 22 years old.